So outside of PK25, next to the Duotone Pro Center, with an awesome spot. The wind funnels down the lagoon, making an awesome kite spot. You can rent equipment here, pump up, straight on the water. It's currently high tide. When the tide starts to drop back, usually the kiting gets a bit better and the water gets a bit flatter. So yeah, come join us on PK25. It's awesome. Another great thing about staying in PK25 is it's a fully inclusive hotel. Right now it's lunchtime and we have a barbecue right on the spot, which is absolutely awesome. And since PK25 is all inclusive, I'm gonna go and get myself a nice mocktail ready for the session later. Right now we're heading over to the speed spot, which is a dream spot here in Dakhla. It's kilometers and kilometers of butter flat water, ideal for anyone performing big air. Let's get out there and send it. Hi guys, we're in the Duotone Pro Center in PK25 and we have all of Duotone's equipment to have a great time on the water. From the Duotone winging gear to the Duotone kiting gear. Come down, hire, rent some equipment, have a great time on the water, or even get your first kite lessons to get you going. What I love about PK25 is it allows a whole family to come and have fun. The kids can learn and play, and you can even go and enjoy a nice spa. For my part, I'm going to go and have a nice lunch in the Sky Bar to finish off my trip.